Okay. 3E. It takes 12 workers exactly 2 hours to build a total of 60 widgets. Working at the same rate, how many widgets could 4 of those workers build in 8 hours? Okay. So, if we're going to find how many widgets 4 of those workers can build in 8 hours, first we're trying to find the total number of widgets. So then to find that, let's first think about how much widgets can one worker in 2 hours make. So just 1 hour, so one worker in 2 hours, how much widgets can they make? Well, that would equal, how are we going to find this exactly? So it's still 2 hours. 2 hours, 2 hours. So that's still the same. So let's do 60 and 12. And what we're going to do is we're going to divide, because each worker makes the same amount of widgets in 2 hours. So we would do 60 divided by 12. And 60 divided by 12 is 5. So one worker in 2 hours can make 5 widgets. Now, this just made the problem a whole lot simpler. Now we're asking how many widgets could 4 of those workers build in 8 hours. Okay, so first there's 4 workers, so we have to times 5 by 4. Okay, so times 5 by 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. So we can cross that out because we already used up that. Then we have to build in 8 hours. So now we're going to times 20 with what? Are we going to times it by 8? No, because 5 widgets is already working in 2 hours. So for 8 hours, we only have to multiply 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, and add the place value 0, that's 80. So then the answer is 80 widgets. Notice how I first made it into a smaller ratio that I could work easily with 1 somewhere, and then all I had to do is just use multiplication, and then I got the answer, 80 widgets. So that's what I highly recommend you to do when solving more of these problems again, either like building widgets or completing projects or setting down railroad tracks. Those are all, or like even painting a wall. Those are all different similarities that these type of problems have. So right now, if you're like in elementary school, later on, maybe like in 7th grade, I think you're going to be working with these types of problems. So, or 6th grade. So, this is the what I would recommend you to do. And